If you've ever wondered whether these Adventure Kings dash cams are worth the money, then I've got a story you need to hear. Phil here had a pretty serious accident not too long ago.
I was on my way up Parramatta Road here, coming up to a set of lights. All of a sudden this car was just in front of me, and after viewing the footage on the dash cam, he actually came from a non-right-hand turn lane and just straight in front of me. I didn't see him until I was right on top of him. Just demolished both his car and mine.
That's pretty scary stuff. Obviously in the heat of the moment, things happen so quick. It wasn't until you saw the footage on the dash cam you figured out what happened?
Yeah, I thought he just came from the right-hand turn lane, but he came around those guys that were in the right-hand turn lane. He was in a rental car from the last accident he caused.
So there's some pork chops out there, right?
Yep.
So you had the dash cam rolling,
Yep.
And you had the footage there. Did that help in the insurance claim?
Well, the insurance company were paying me out anyway, but they still wanted, when they found out I had that, they said, can we have it, because he's disputing it. And once they got a copy of that, there was no problems.
Beautiful. And you're running not one but two of these
I'm
fellas
running
now?
two now, one in the rear and the one in the front.
Well, there you go. The proof is in the pudding. The Adventure Kings dash cam is worth its weight in gold.